Hello, I'm John, Maxwell Farm Service. Included in our lineup of mowers is Ferris zero turns, which is the top quality zero turn in the industry. Patented suspension is on every model. This particular is a 600 series. They make a 600, a 700, a 2000, a 3100, and a 5100 commercial mower. All the mowers include welded fabricated decks with the top quality Briggs or Kawasaki engines in them. They also have the big one, which is a 5100 diesel, which is a 33.5 horse cat. When you go from the 600 series model to the 2000 series model at the far end, a half suspension on the front to a full independent suspension, a high back seat, dual fuel tanks, and they all have ICD decks. The ICD deck is designed to pick up grass. It has a full striping kit on the back of it, and using again Briggs commercial engines. These mowers sell very well, and out of anything in the industry, you will not find a zero turn to go so fast and actually still ride smoothly. Thank you.